Let us count down together from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give a big applause. Woo. Alright, dan seterusnya marilah kita bersama-sama kita ada video presentation daripada AJP Motorcycle. Mari kita lihat bersama-sama.
A JP começou pelo gosto pelas motos, muito cedo, quando eu tinha cerca de 7 anos. No início era utilizador, a partir de um certo momento começou a despertar o interesse pela transformação de motos e pela criação de modelos. Uma ideia inicial não seria a JP fabricar motos, passaria por desenvolver e criar motos para alguém ou a indústria nacional na altura que era forte no setor, por desenvolver e produzir essas mesmas motos. A indústria nacional morreu, acabou por morrer e se eu quisesse ver as motos da JP andar na estrada, fui obrigado a produzi-las e a vendê-las. Isso não foi fácil, porque a JP partiu de 1.0, ou se calhar menos 1 ou menos 2, e durante o tempo fomos trabalhando, fomos ultrapassando com muitas dificuldades vários modelos que fizemos. Fomos aprendendo muito, a competição mais ainda, e chegámos ao ponto a que chegámos hoje e já vai há 28 anos. A JP começa com o modelo Ariana, com motor casal 125, essa moto serviu também para eu fazer os vários campeonatos em que participei de enduro e de todo-terreno. A partir daí começámos uma fase nova que foi com a JP Gal. O mercado está na expansão relativamente a estes modelos. Entretanto, quando estávamos embalados, e provavelmente até para fazermos uma parceria com o casal,
dari enjin 250 4 lejang ke enjin 650 4 lejang untuk enduro, motard dengan overland touring. Motosikal AJP dari Portugal dan AJP Malaysia dah melancarkan 4 motor baru. Cantik juga.
Que essa moto acabou por ser a origem de todos os modelos atuais que a JP tem neste momento. E neste momento temos uma gama de produtos que passa pela PR3, PR4, PR5 e que está a ter algum sucesso por esse mundo fora. Respeito à nossa filosofia, é uma filosofia muito própria. Nós não estamos dentro das motos de competição, estamos dentro de uma moto que é o Enduro Lazer, em que é uma moto de utilização fácil e que nós gostamos que os nossos clientes sintam campeões mesmo sem experiência. E é para isso que essas motos nasceram.
Selepas video ni, kita tengok motor-motor ni dengan lebih dekat ya, dengan lebih teliti. Dari AJP dari tahun 1987 dari Portugal. Dan sekarang berada di pasaran Malaysia pula. Kepada sesiapa-siapa yang meminati off-road riding atau overland touring, bolehlah tengok motor ni, boleh consider.
Portanto, aqui nós estávamos com uma gama de baixa cilindrada dedicada ao enduro lazer. Hoje nós temos que partir para outra aventura, respeitando sempre a filosofia que foi
Yang kat depan tu nampak juga macam trails bike. Yang kat atas tu tengah mungkin 650 Overland Tourer.
Mas pensamos que a AJP, a partir do lançamento da PR7, irá entrar por um caminho completamente diferente e um caminho muito mais vasto.
Itu dia.
Alright, tuan-tuan dan puan, lagi beri tepukan pada slide presentation ni, video presentation ni. Terima kasih. Dan seterusnya, ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, sekali lagi majlis diteruskan dengan menjemput yang berbahagia Encik Isman Ghani, Managing Director of AJPC Seram Berhad, untuk memberikan ataupun kita akan buat slide presentation daripada beliau sendiri. Dengan segala hormatnya, dipersilakan.
Assalamualaikum. Minta maaf lah terpaksa menunjukkan muka saya sekali lagi. Saya harap dia orang semua suka lah sikit kan. Okay, so just ni presentation untuk AJP, sikit sebanyak tentang the company dan the bike itself. Okay, ini adalah model-model yang telah dihasilkan di Portugal. PR3, PR4, PR5 dan PR7. PR7 yang latest, the latest one. Okay, and the values as you can see there, what drives us to succeed, as what Antonio Pinto is saying, the innovation, the customer orientation, and all the things that were listed there. And of course, the commitment to develop, that is very important. To develop, produce and deliver motorcycles with strict quality requirements and advanced technology. Provide the utmost care and qualified assistance by a set of qualified technicians. Okay, they just produce something but they know how to produce it. That is very important. There was the history, part of the history of the AJP itself. How it was developed from the 1987 up to now. And there are new bikes coming in also, which is not in the timeline yet. So maybe by end of this year, we'll do another launching for that new model. But it's not much different, it's still the same breed, the same enduro bike, okay? Because AJP, they are more into advanced rally and enduro. There's the heritage itself on how it was done by Antonio J. Pinto. Okay, there was the bike in 2001. The first bike that was, the second bike they produced
Itu dia penjelasan
PR3125.
apa pula
This
AJP
bike is a 4-stroke.
Antonio Jonas
Previously it
Pinto.
was the Ariana 125, it's a 2-stroke. Okay, starting from 2007, sorry, I didn't wear my spikes so I cannot see actually. Okay, 2007, the first where they start to create seriously 4-stroke enduro bikes. They started out with a 125cc, a 200cc, and later they came in with a 240cc. There's the bike, as you can see, it's not much different from what you have in front of you. The difference is only the capacity itself. There's the PR7. PR7 was developed in 2016. And To tell you the truth, PR7 is widely sold worldwide. And if we are getting the stock, you have to be fast, alright? This is racing in AJP, which we started up in Brazil, we have it in Portugal itself. We have AJP won the first and second place, which is very good. And in England, in itself, in 2012, the AJP rider had participated with the PR5 in the famous, the Tough One. It's a race, they call it the Tough One. Conquering brilliant 9th place compared with other makers. As there you can see the lady rider, sorry. And I believe there's a lady rider here also. Yeah, I see you there. Right? Alright? Okay, this is the same model. This is a PR3 at bigger picture. The difference is PR3 is much more shorter in length and a little bit small compared to the PR4. Okay, this is the PR4. PR4 was supposed to be bigger than 3. See, 3 is bigger than 4. I mean 3 smaller than 4. So this one is bigger than the PR3. As you can see, this is the PR5. Alright, the PR5 for now, okay, for now, the estimation is around that figure. So I hope that will suit the market in Malaysia actually. And this is the PR7, and that is the estimated price that was going to be retail in Malaysia itself. Okay, and AJP actually, as you can see, the red dot, the red marked area in the world actually is not a zombie thing or disease that was marked in the United Nations Health, but that is actually the dealer, the distributorship for AJP throughout the worldwide. We have it in Malaysia, in Australia, New Zealand, and Africa, Japan, and America itself. And in the United States, actually, this bike is getting famous because of the bike itself. And AJP itself actually is, they have a team of designers from the University of Portugal, which they work closely together to provide something that benefit and good design. To have something that is beautiful, you must have some good quality on that thing also. That's just the apparel, the accessories. So, as you can see, one of my partners is wearing that racing shirt, factory. Right, I think I don't want to brag much about it. So as you can see, if you have any inquiries regarding the bike itself, you can actually ask Mr. Rashidan. He'll be helping you on getting more info about the bike and the commercial issues. Alright, thank you for listening to the presentation itself. Thank you very much.
Alright, terima kasih kepada Yang Berbahagia Encik Ismail Ghani, Managing Director of AJPC Suran Berhad. Dan kita di akhir majlis, dan sebelum tu, selepas ni kita ada
Untuk bukti-bukti lain, log on ke www.ajpmotors.com.my.
Okey, dan sebelum tu, alright, ini pesanan daripada penaja. Okey, untuk dealer, dipersilakan untuk berada di pentas utama bagi Sabah dan Sarawak, iaitu Yang Berbahagia Datuk Seri Alan, dan juga Penang Branch Mr. Casey Leong, Thailand HQ Mr. Haji Muhaimin, dan juga bagi Timur, wilayah Timur bagi Mr. Muhammad Hisham untuk berada di pentas pertama. Dengan segala hormatnya dipersilakan. Grup foto ataupun bagi merakamkan 1001 kenangan pada hari ini dan juga sejarah bagi motosikal enduro AGP pada perbuatan kita belum berakhir di sini, dan jemput kepada tuan-tuan dan puan, rakan-rakan media, telah pemotoran dan juga rakan-rakan daripada Board of Director AGP C9 Berhad pada hari ini untuk menjamu selera bagi tea break ataupun minuman petang di luar Dewan Utama. Dan selepas itu kita juga ada performance